Okay. Are we ready? Okay, so we're gonna be, what are you doing? We're gonna be working on letter U, and it's what sound does letter U make? No, what sound does letter U make? Very good. Can you read the first word? Sound it out for me. Good.
Hunter fuzz.
Sound out hunter for me. Hunter, go to hunter. Can you hunter?
Hunter.
Can you sound? Can you sound it out for me?
Hunter.
Good job. Okay, can you read the sentence for me now?
I have to fix these.
Okay. Okay, good job. Okay.
You must put the cup under trunk.
Under what? But you skipped the one word. Under what? What's the word after under?
Trunk.
What's the word before trunk?
Under.
Yes, under.
The
Yeah, you skipped the. Under the.
trunk.
Okay, good job.